Hi guys, how are you doing today? Is Monday morning. I hope you have gone to work. I'm rushing. I just finished my online meeting. I wish we can all work online. Like you can wake up with your mouth. You see, my mouth is still fresh because I use Evita toothpaste. And we have three types of Evita toothpaste. We have Evita charcoal toothpaste. We have Evita baking soda toothpaste, and we have Evita probiotic gum care. So we have three types of Evita toothpaste here. So which one do you want me to dash you now? I want to brush. I have used the charcoal. Okay, today, I have a lot of options here. So I can use any one that I like. And let me tell you one of the things I love about Evita toothpaste. Aside from their numerous benefits, it gives you clean teeth, healthy gum, fresh breath, right? So guys, let me brush with baking soda. Yeah, where is my toothbrush? And let me juice you guys. My favorite toothbrush is KS. I love hard toothpaste. Let's use our Evita baking soda toothpaste. Wow. So nice, so nice. I'll give you results. So guys, I'm done brushing and I'm feeling, my mouth is feeling so fresh. See clean tongue. So guys, don't forget Evita toothpaste. Anyone you have chosen to use, whether you are going to use our charcoal toothpaste, you are going to use our baking soda, which I just finished using, or you are going to use our probiotic gum care. So there is a Vita for every teeth, every tooth. So guys, please patronize us. Our own is 100 and I think our own is how many grams? Is it 160 or 130? Okay, our own is 160 grams, which is a lot. And trust me, a little goes a long way. I didn't want to show you, when you brush now, it's not really good for people to see those foams and all of that. But trust me, Evita is your toothpaste. Trust me, you will love it. Why can't you become our distributor? Become our partner. Order for your supermarket, order for your stores, order for your pharmacy. Anywhere you are, we will bring Evita down to your doorstep. Bye-bye.